Hello friends, in this video I'm going to discuss some problems on concept of congruences. In my previous video I have discussed its definition and its properties. Now in this video I'm going to discuss problems on this concept. Let us start. First problem is find the remainder when 2 power 50 is divided by 7. Here we have to find a where 2 power 50 is congruent to a modulo 7. Then this a will be the remainder. Since by definition of this congruence, this implies 7 divides 2 power 50 minus a. That means from this we get a is the remainder when 7 divides 2 power 50. Okay. Now we have to find this a in this relation. Okay. Now 2 power 3 that is 2 cube is congruent to 1 modulo 7 since 7 divides 8 minus 1 which is 7. Now we have to reach to the power 50 and here we have 3. If I take 16 power both sides then 16 into 3 is 48 and we are somewhere near to 50. Okay. Now taking power of 16 both sides we get this. Here it is 3. Modulo 7 using the property A is congruent to B modulo n implies A power k is congruent to B power k modulo n for some positive integer k. We have done this property in previous video. Now 3 into 16 is 48. That is 2 power 48 is congruent to 1 modulo 7. Now we have to find 2 power 50. Remainder when 2 power 50 is divided by 7. Now multiplying 2 square both sides will give us this. Now this is 2 power 50 and we are using the result when A is congruent to B modulo n. This will imply A into C is congruent to B into C modulo n. We have used this property here. Now this is 2 power 50. From this we get 2 power 50. This implies 2 power 50 is congruent to 2 square is 4 modulo 7. That means 4 is the remainder. 4 is the remainder. That means 4 is the remainder obtained on dividing 2 power 50 by 7. Clear? Answer is 4. Clear? Now we come to second problem. Find the remainder when 14 power 65 is divided by 7. We have to find the remainder on dividing 41 power 65 by 7. That is here also to find A where A is 41 power 65 congruent to A modulo 7. A is a remainder obtained on dividing 41 power 65 by 7. Okay. We have to find this A. Clear? Now 41 is congruent to minus 1 modulo 7. We know 7 6 are 42. And here 7 divides 41 minus 1 that is 42. Okay. Now we have to reach to this power 41 power 65. Now taking k to be 65 here. This will imply 41 power 65 is congruent to minus 1 power 65 modulo 7. And this will give us 41 power 65 is congruent to 65 is an odd number. Minus 1 to the odd power will give us minus 1 only. This will be minus 1 modulo 7. Now minus 1 is a remainder. but we want the answer free from negative sign. Okay, mark this as equation number 1. Now, minus 1 is congruent to 6 modulo 7, as 7 divides minus 1 minus 6, that is minus 7. Okay, this mark as equation number 2. Now 41 power 65 is congruent to minus 1 modulo 7, and again minus 1 is congruent to 6 modulo 7. Using 1 and 2 and transitive property of congruence relation, we get 41 power 65 is congruent to 6 modulo 7. Okay, using transitive property of congruence relation. Now this 6 is the remainder. Clear? Therefore, answer is 6. Answer is 6. Clear? Now we come to next problem. Now we come to next problem. Third, the remainder obtained when 16 power 2016 is divided by 9 equals, options are 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is NET 2017 paper. Question of NET 2017 paper. Okay, CSIR NET 2017. Now we have to find the remainder when 16 power 2016 is divided by 9. We have 4 options here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have to find the remainder. Okay. That is, we have to find A, where 16 power 2016 is congruent to A modulo 9. We will follow the same steps here. Okay. Now 16 and 9, and we know 9 to the 18. So we can start with this. 16 is congruent to minus 2 modulo 9. We can start with this. Now we have to reach to this power 2016. This will imply minus 2 2016 modulo 9. Clear? This will give us, this is even number, therefore minus will get plus sign instead of minus. Clear? Now we mark this as equation number 1. Now from 16 we have reached to 2, a number less than 16. Okay. Now again we can use this congruence. 2 cube is congruent to minus 1 modulo 9. 2 cube is 8. 8 minus 1, that is 9. Okay. Now we have to reach to this power 2016, and we are here with 3. Now on dividing 2016 by 3, we get 3 6 are 18, 19, 22, 21, 3 2 are 6, 672. Okay. Now if I take this power both sides, 2 cube power 672 congruent to minus 1 power 672 modulo 9, and this will give us 2 power 2016 is congruent to, this is an even number, so this is equal congruent to 1 modulo 9. Clear? Now mark this as equation number 2. Now using 1 and 2 and transitive property of congruence relation, we get 16 power 2016 is congruent to 1 modulo 9. That means 1 is the remainder obtained when 16 power 2016 is divided by 9. That means option A is correct. Okay, therefore option A is correct. Clear? Clear? Okay, now we come to next problem. Now we come to next problem. Fourth, find the remainder. Find the remainder when 4 times 4 power 4 times 4 is divided by 9. Is divided by 9. Okay, means on dividing this number by 9 we have to find the remainder. That is to find A, where 4 times 4 power 4 times 4 is congruent to A modulo 9. We have to find this A. This A is the remainder. Now first we will divide this number by 9 and will set a congruence relation between this and this number. Okay. Now on dividing on dividing this number by 9, we get 7 as the remainder. Therefore I can write this as 4 times 4 is congruent to 7 modulo 9. I can write like this. On dividing this number by 9, we get 7 as a remainder. So I can write this congruence. Now, taking power this, we get here 4 times 4 is congruent to 7 power 4 times 4 modulo 9. Clear? Now mark this as equation number 1. Now from this number, we are here to 7. And this number is very small compared then to this. Clear? Now we'll again reduce this congruence. Okay, clear? Now, again, 7 is congruent to minus 2 modulo 9. Clear? Now taking power both sides, we get here. Clear? Now this is 7, 4 times 4, and this is an even number. So we are free from negative sign here. I can write like this. Okay. Now using 1 and 2. Mark this as equation number 2. Using these two, using 1 and 2, we get, and using the transitive property of congruence relation, we get this congruence modulo 9. Clear? Now we mark this as equation number 3. Clear? Now Now 2 cube is congruent to, now 2 cube is congruent to minus 1 modulo 9. Clear? Now we have to reach to this power 4 times 4. Okay. Now on dividing it by 3, we get 24, 8, then 4, and here 3. Okay, then we have this remainder. Now if I multiply this number 3 by this, we will be somewhere near to 4 times 4. Okay, now on taking this as the power 1481 both sides, we will have 2 to the power 3, 3 8 is 24, 14. Okay, we have this. And this is an odd number. So we are here with negative sign. Modulo 9. Clear? Clear? Now we have to reach to the power 4 times 4 here. For this we have to multiply by 2 both sides. This will imply into 2 power 1 congruent to minus 2 modulo 9, and this will give us 2 power 4 times 4 is congruent to minus 2 modulo 9. Clear? Clear? Mark this as equation number 4. Now using 3 and 4, we get, and using the transitive property, we get 4 times 4 power 4 times 4 is congruent to minus 2 modulo 9. Mark this as equation number 5. Now here also remainder is in negative sign. We have to find a remainder free from negative sign. So we will use this congruence relation. Minus 2 is congruent to 7 modulo 9. Clear? And now using 5 and 6. Using 5 and 6 we get 4 times 4 power 4 times 4 is congruent to 7 modulo 9. Clear? That means this 7 is the remainder. 7 is the remainder. Clear? This is how we have to follow the steps in order to find the remainder. Okay? Clear? Now that's it for this video. If you have any queries or any suggestions, please write to me in comment box. Thank you.